أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we will continue our revision that we started yesterday. We will do like a revision of the revision a little bit before we start revising new. So again, it's the same pattern, mostly questions, and I will request participants to answer those questions, inshallah. Okay. First question. First question is from Musab Iqbal. Musab, how many properties does an ism has?
4.
All right, 4 properties. Tanjeen, what are those 4 properties, please? Tanjeen doesn't want to say anything. Okay.
There are 4 property.
4 properties. You have to be quick, huh?
There's
There are
like
4 properties we already know. What are they? Name those 4 properties, Tanjeen.
There are 4 properties.
What are their names?
So we have like. So the properties are like number, gender, type, status.
Oh yeah. Say them again.
Number, that's one of them. Gender, type, status.
Yeah. Very good. Good job, Tanjeen. But they have a certain order. We like to say them in a certain order. Anusha knows the order. Anusha, go ahead.
Status, gender, number, and type.
Yes. Status, gender, number, and type. And then we learned more about the status, or revised more about the status yesterday. How many types of status we have? All right. Let's go to Ali.
3.
3. What are they, Ali?
Rafa, Nasab, Jar.
Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. All right. Good job. Muslim chart. Muslim chart. Zainab, could you please say the Muslim chart for masculine gender?
مسلمون مسلمان مسلمين مسلمان مسلمين مسلمين مسلمون مسلمين مسلمين.
Very good. Okay. That's good. This is the Muslim chart. Everybody should know Muslim chart. We already revised it once before. Okay. Taimiyya.
Yes.
What are the 3 types of status?
Rafa, Nasab, and Jar.
Okay. What is the status of Muslimun?
Rafa,
Musliman?
Nasab,
Muslimin?
Jar.
Muslimani?
Jar.
No. Okay.
Rafa.
Yeah, it is Rafa. Ayan. Yeah, thank you, Taimiyya. Muslimani, what's the status?
Rafa,
Muslimaini.
Nasab,
Muslimaini.
Jar,
Muslimuna.
Rafa,
Muslimina.
Nasab,
Muslimina.
Jar.
All right. Thank you. Daniel, does the words in the first row have the same status or no?
The first word in the first row has the same status.
What is that?
Rafa.
How about the words in the second row? Do they have the same status?
The second row, the words in the second row all have the same status, and that is nasab.
What's the third one? Third row.
They have the same status, and it is jar.
It is jar. All right. Good. Okay. Feminine gender. Can somebody give me the chart for feminine gender? Umar, go ahead.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin,
Mhm.
muslimatani, muslimataini, muslimataini,
All right.
muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin.
Okay. Good job. Good job, Umar. One more time. One more time. Someone else. Brother Rauf, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Muslimatun, muslimatan,
No,
muslimatin.
no, 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 no. You see, there is a very slight difference between muslimatun and muslimatun. If you prolong muslima, if you prolong ma, it becomes plural. It's a very delicate difference here. So you have to be very careful when you say this word. Try again.
Muslimatun,
Muslimatun. Let's say it like this. Muslimatun.
Muslimatun.
Yes.
Muslimatun. Muslimatan. Muslimatin. Muslimatani. Muslimataini. Muslimataini. Muslimatun. Muslimatun. Muslimatin.
No.
Muslimatin.
This is where you have to make it long.
Okay. Muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin.
Very good. You see, there is a very fine difference. Muslimatun, muslimatun. So if you say, if you prolong ma over here, then it becomes a plural. So we have to be very careful when we say this. Thank you. I'm just maybe do this again one more time. Musab, Muslim chart for feminine gender.
Muslimatan, muslimatun, muslimun, muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin, muslimatun, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimat.
You are not thinking, Musab. You're just saying words. You're not thinking at all. Dual. Give me the dual.
Muslimatani, muslimataini, muslimataini, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin.
Yeah. When you start thinking, things improve, Yeah, that's good job. Good job, Musab. Muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin. Okay. Next question. Brother Mia Hamid, what is the status of muslimatun?
مرفوع.
Muslimatan.
منصوب.
Muslimatin.
مجرور.
Yeah, it's jar. Thank you, brother Mia Hamid. Hiba, what is the status of Muslima Tani?
Rafa,
Muslimataini,
Nasab,
Muslimataini,
and Jar.
and jar. Muslimataini could be nasab or jar. It's the
Yeah.
same word. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to Muslimatun, Hiba.
Okay. Muslimatun,
Is Rafa nasab or jar?
Rafa,
Muslimatin. Next word.
Nasab, or Jar.
Nasab. Yeah, jar is the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is no Muslimatan. So we have to be aware of that. There is no Muslimatan. Arabs don't use this word as like this. No Muslimatan. All right. Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. First row is Rafa, second row is Nasab, third row is Jar. We should know this. So this is the masculine gender. This is the feminine gender. Now, the question is how to tell status. How to tell status. You have a word in front of you. So, Anusha, how do you know Muslimun is Rafa? How do you know this?
By mud, like the last, like by the Dhamma.
Dhamma on the last letter, right? It could be single Dhamma as well. Over here it is two Dhamma, Dhammatain, but it could be one. But it doesn't make a difference. It's still Rafa.
Yeah.
Okay. And why Muslimaini is Nasab?
Because of this, because of the last two letters, like
It's the sound it makes.
Yeah,
It is the sound it makes. Aini sound, huh?
Yeah.
Muslimaini, Aini sound. So the Aini sound means, for dual, the Aini sound means Nasab. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Could this be jar as well? Same sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see Muslimaini, Muslimaini. So aini for dual could mean nasab or could be jar.
Yeah.
All right, good. Brother Miamid, why, I mean, why we are calling Musliman nasab? What is the indication in there?
On, because on Musliman.
Yeah. Yeah, that's two zabar, two fatha.
Not
If it is one fatha or two fatha, in singular, it is nasab.
nasab.
Why we are calling Muslim in jar?
Because of min.
Yeah, the two
Yeah,
there. The two there.
two there.
Yeah. So when it is singular, we have to look at the haraka on the last letter. What is the haraka?
Yes.
Haraka, if the haraka is
On.
one dhamma or two dhamma, then it is rafa. If the haraka is one fatha or two fatha, then it is nasab. If the haraka is one kasra or zair or two kasra, then it is jar. This is for singular. This is for singular. What is the rule for dual, Daniel?
And the rule for dual is that if it's ani, then it will be rafa, and if it's any, it will be nasab or jar.
Good job. And what is the rule for plural, Daniel?
Plural, it will be, if it's una, it will be rafa, and if it will be ina, it will be nasab or jar.
All right. Okay, Burak. Thank you, Daniel. Burak, what is the rule for determining status for singular words? What is the rule? No idea?
No. Is it because for singular? Is it because the tanween at the end?
How would you tell the status of a singular word in Arabic language?
If it doesn't, the last haraka.
Haraka on the last letter. Okay, what it has to be to call it rafa?
It has to have a dhamma.
Could it have two? Has to have two dhamma or one dhamma?
For singular, it has to have two.
Okay. If it doesn't have two, it has only one, then could this still be rafa or no?
Yeah, it can still be rafa.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Burak has to be precise and say the whole thing. Okay, tell me now, how do you will tell that a singular Arabic word is rafa? What you will look for?
The last haraka.
Okay, what it has to be rafa?
It has to have a dhamma.
One dhamma or two dhamma?
It can be either one or two.
Either one or two. All right. Thank you, Burak. Thank you. Okay. Shifa.
Yes.
For singular words, how would you tell the status? If is it rafa, nasab or jar?
By looking at the last haraka.
Okay. Tell me more. How would you say it is rafa?
Like if it has a dhamma at the end, you'd say it would be rafa.
One or two will be okay? Either one?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. For nasab status, what you will look for in a singular word?
A fatha.
How many?
One or two.
One or two. Both will work, huh? Okay. If it is a jar, what will be there for singular words?
A kasra.
A kasra. How many?
One or two.
One or two. Good. Thank you. Zainab, how to tell the status of dual words?
They will end with an ani or aini sound.
Okay. If it is ani, then what will be the status?
Rafa.
And if it is aini, then
Then it's nasab or jar.
nasab or jar. Can we apply the same rule for masculine and feminine gender for dual?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. The rule for singular and the rule for dual is the same for masculine and feminine. There is no change. It's simple. Very good. Thank you, Zainab. Okay, Umar, how to tell the status for feminine gender plural?
Atun, atin, atin.
So what do you look for?
The sound of atun
Atun, huh? Atun. And then
for
atin.
rafa
Uh-huh.
and atin for nasab and jar.
Atin for nasab and jar. All right. So I'm going to show you a table. Everybody should be comfortable with this table, huh? The table at the bottom, it says how to tell status. For singular words, we look at the ending haraka. If it is one dhamma or two dhamma, one page or two page, then it is status is rafa. If it is one fatha or two fatha, then it is nasab. If it is one kasra or two kasra, then it is jar. For dual, we don't look at the haraka. We look at the ending sound. Ani, aini, aini. Because if we look at the ending sound, all three of them have kasra. Sorry, if we look at the ending haraka, then all of them have a kasra at the end. So then it would mean they all of jar. They all are jar? No, that is not the case. Because we don't look at the haraka, we look at the ending sound. Ani, aini, aini. Rafa, nasab, and jar. For masculine plural, we look at the ending sound. Una, ina, ina. And for feminine, atun, atin, and atin. Everyone should know this. This is very important. All right, let's continue.
Brother Shivas.
Yes.
So this table, the bottom one, so feminine plural could be R2, R3, R3, right, as well.
That's right. That's right.
That's right. So
yeah, it could be. That's right. Now, let's do it. Recognizing the status. I will show you the words and you tell me what is the status. So if a noun does not have indications of a dual, so first you look for the features of a dual word. If you don't see it, then you see, is it plural? If it is not plural, it is not dual, then we determine its status by assuming that this word is singular. Then we apply the rules of singular. If the word doesn't appear to be dual, or it doesn't appear to be plural, then we treat that word as a singular for determining its status, even if it is not a singular word. We will establish its status as if it was a singular word. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, now I'm gonna call names and we'll ask what the status is. Hiba, Najmun. Give me the status.
That's Rafa.
That's Rafa. Baitan.
Nasab.
Abidatin.
Jar.
Only jar or could be something else as
Nasab
well?
and jar.
Nasab or jar. Yeah, it could be nasab or jar. The context will tell us if it is nasab or jar. It cannot be nasab and jar at the same time. No. When it is used in a sentence, it will be either nasab or jar. And then from the context, from the words around it, we will know which one it is. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, Huba. Good job. Ali.
Yes.
Shay'in.
Shay'in. Jar.
Muhajiratin.
Muhajirin. Jar.
Taibatin.
Taibatin. Atin. Feminine. Nasab jar.
Nasab or jar. Yeah, good job. Good job, Ali. Brother Rauf, inshallah. Al-Anharu.
Al-Anhar. It is Ru. Okay. It will be jar. Oh, sorry, Rafa. My apologies. Rafa.
It cannot be jar. Yeah, it doesn't have any indication of dual. It doesn't have any indication of plural. So we will treat this word as if it was a singular.
Singular.
For establishing its status. It has a single dhamma at the end. So it has to be rafa. But actually it is a plural word. All right. Thank you. Next one. So brother, stay with me, brother Rauf. Afwajan.
Afwajan. It will be Jan. It's it is the nasab.
It is nasab. Good. Thank you. We go to Taymiyah. Taymiyah, just quickly say the status.
Jar. Am I Rafa?
Could be nasab. Could be jar. Are you saying? This is what you're saying?
No, it's Rafa.
Why it is rafa? You don't sound convincing. You are not convinced or just guessing, Taymiyah? No guessing. We don't do any guessing in this course. It sounds like you're guessing. Huh? Say it again.
The ani sound at the end, that's why.
Sorry, say it again. I didn't hear you.
It's
Just repeat what you said.
Rafa because there's the ani sound at the end.
Yeah, you're right now. There is an ani sound at the end. And according to the table, the ani sound is for rafa. And that is why it is dual and it is rafa. All right, good. Good, Taymiyah. Brother Mia Hamid. Al-Asma'u.
Rafa.
Al-Azabu.
Rafa.
Bayyinatun.
Bayyinatun nasab or jar. Oh, sorry. Oh, Rafa.
Rafa. All are rafa. All three are rafa.
Yeah,
good.
Right.
Thank you, Brother Mia Hamid. Ayan. Rasulaini.
This is nasab or jar.
Al-Fuada.
Nasab.
Nasab. All right. Have you done it? Anusha, have you done this already? Sorry, I'm forgetting. Anusha? Did you do this or no? Not yet.
I haven't done it yet.
No, okay. Then you are next. Fiataini.
Fiataini, it could be nasab or jar.
Is it singular, dual, or plural?
It's dual.
All right. Qanitatun.
Qanitatun. It's rafa.
Sabilun.
Sabilun. It's rafa.
All right. Musa Iqbal. Thank you, Anusha. Musab, be quick.
Assalamu alaikum.
Qulubin, wa alaikum assalam.
Jar.
Next one.
Samawatin nasab jar.
Next one.
Rocky. Una Rafa.
Did you say Rafa?
Yes.
All right, good. Thank you, Musab. Saad Iqbal, Ibadin.
Ibadin is jar.
Zulumatin.
That's also jar.
Only jar. Could this be something else as well?
Oh, no, this will also be nasab or jar.
Nasab or jar. Yeah, good. Good, Saad.
Okay,
Umar. Umar, kitabani.
Kitabani is Rafa.
Why?
Because of Ani sound.
Is it singular, dual, or plural?
It's dual.
All right. Sadiqatun.
It is Rafa. It is feminine plural.
Very good. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Umar. Zainab. Muslimataini.
Muslimatayn is nasab dual. And nasab and jar dual.
Nasab or jar. Yeah, dual. Ajrani.
Ajrani is rafa singular.
Are you sure it is singular?
No. It's dual, rafa dual.
Rafa dual. Ani sound, huh? Ani
Yes.
sound. Good. Thank you, Zainab. Tanjeen. Salatun.
Salatun. Isn't that like that's a Rafa status, right?
You are questioning or giving an answer?
It's an answer.
So what's the answer again?
Salatun Rafa.
Rafa. Good job. Ainaini.
Ainaini. Either be nasab or jar.
Nasab or jar. Good job. Is it singular, dual, or plural, Tanjeen?
It sounds
Ainaini.
dual.
Sounds dual. So it is dual. Good. Thank you. Abir, did you do anything yet or no?
No.
Okay, go ahead. Zarratan.
It's nasab.
Mu'minina, sorry.
Mu'minina is nasab or jar.
Is it singular, dual, or plural?
It's plural.
All right, good. Shifa, azwajan.
It's nasab.
Kafiraini.
And kafirin is nasab or jar.
Singular, dual, or plural?
It's plural.
Good job. Thank you. I'm not sure if I missed anyone. Muhammad Ashar, I think missed. Muhammad Ashar.
Yes, assalamu alaikum. Sajidataini, that would be nasab and jar, or nasab or jar.
Is it singular, dual, or plural?
It is dual.
All right. Sajidani.
Sajidani, that's Rafa, then that is dual.
Rafa dual. Thank you, Muhammad. Hiba, give us the last one and then we conclude our class. Hiba?
Yes, we can see it. It's
Jannatan and Nisab.
Ani, so Rafa and dual, sorry.
And dual. Rafa and dual. Good job. 2 gardens. Yeah, so that's where we will end. So I'm hoping that everybody is super comfortable now with telling the status of an ism. So when you see any status any ism in Quran, you should be able to tell what its status is. That's what I'm hoping from this exercise. So that's where we will end our class. Any questions or comments? Any questions? No questions? All right. So let's finish it. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.